Here are my top 10 biggest immigration changes under the Trump administration, starting at number 10, right? The number 10 biggest change that I have seen is they are now targeting visa overstayers. What does that mean? People who enter the country legally and they overstayed their visas. DOJ is now targeting going through additional screening and vetting for people who have overstayed their visas while in the US. So even if you applied for a marriage-based petition and you overstayed, guess what? They're going to be going through a second layer of investigation on your case to see if there are any type of violations or any additional reasons for them to maybe deny your case, right? Number 9 biggest changes that I've seen under Trump is all the people who entered under a humanitarian program, or if they entered under the Biden parole program and they filed for an asylum, those cases are at high risk for getting dismissed while in court, getting dismissed, and the persons are now ordered removed immediately. So they are now placed into expedited removal, and that is because ICE still has jurisdiction over those people who entered the country within the last 2 years under a Biden parole program, or they were paroled into the country under a humanitarian parole program. Number 7, which is very, very recent that I've seen, these are the people who they had an adjustment of status and it got denied, and within 30 days they are being placed into removal proceedings. That's been one of the most noticeable changes that I have seen, right? So say for instance, you filed for an adjustment of status, you got your denial April 1st. I've now seen it within 3 weeks or 30 days. By May, there's a notice to appear. So typically what I would want to do in a case like that is, before the notice to appear comes, is to try to refile it. But no, we are now against the wall and against our backs to file or refile immediately before it goes into removal proceedings. Because if the case goes into removal proceedings, we now have to file everything with the immigration court. You cannot get an adjustment of status case approved with USCIS if you are in removal proceedings. Stay tuned for part 2.